In this video, I just want to give you a small trick if your Instax Square camera is not turning on. In my case, I even replaced the battery with brand new ones and it was still not turning on when I was switching it. And I was very frustrated until I found a solution. What I did is, you see the slider to turn it on? Well, you need to press very hard on it at the same time as you're pushing it on the right side. And you may need to do it a few times. I think I did it at least 20 times before it worked. So you need to put your finger there, push it down, okay? Put a lot of force on it and then move it to the right side. And then do it again. Force on it, press on it, because I think the contacts inside are not great and they're not making contact when I switch it on. So press and then switch, and do it many times like this by putting a lot of effort and pressure on this button, okay? And in my case, after 20 times of trying this trick, it finally worked. So it wasn't the batteries, it's really just the power button that has a problem. But fortunately, once I fixed it, I don't need to put a lot of pressure on it anymore. It was just to fix the problem, then it will be fine. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment down below if you have other solutions how to fix this problem. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.